Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about style and content properly with examples as given in the study material, which will be helpful for you in your preparation for the upcoming examinations. We will discuss about style and stylistics. Now, what is style? Style has commonly been defined as a way of writing or a mode of expression in literature. Each writer uses different words, sentence structures, and language. This unique way of expression is called style. To explain style, the theorists of style proposed three approaches, that is monism, dualism, and pluralism. Let us understand each one of them. These three approaches differ mainly in one question, that is, what is the difference, what is the relationship between the form and the content? Dualism says form and content are separate, while monism says they are one and cannot be separated. According to pluralism, form or style depends on the function the language performs. So monism, we will discuss about monism first. Monism began with Plato and Aristotle. It believes form and content are one, are same. Flaubert beautifully said, like body and soul, form and content are one. Monism is more seen in poetry, and in poetry, paraphrasing is impossible because it changes the aesthetic effect, it changes the meaning, everything. For example, in Macbeth, a tragic play written by William Shakespeare, where a poetic blank verse is used to make it highly dramatic, quoting a famous line from this play, "Come, stealing night, scarf up the tender eye of pitiful day." Now, can we simply rewrite or paraphrase this into ordinary English? No. If we paraphrase, we lose the beauty, imagery, rhythm, and emotional force. As metaphor here is not merely decorative, but makes us go beyond literal meaning and search for deeper interpretation. So, in monism, paraphrasing is not possible. And the form and content, since the form and content are same, the expression is the form itself. The meaning is the form itself. So we can take another example, like quoting a line from the Shakespeare sonnet 18. "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day?" Here thee means you. The speaker is addressing his lover. "Shall I compare you to a summer's day?" Here the rhythm, word order, metaphor all create beauty. If we change one word, effect will change. So this is monism. Now let's come to dualism. Dualism believes form and content are different. The thought remains the same, but the way of expressing it can change. So dualism has two important ideas. This approach has two important ideas, that is style as the dress of thought and style as a manner of expression. Now imagine a person wearing different dresses. The person remains the same, but the clothes change. Similarly, the thought remains same, but the language changes. That is why style is called the dress of thought. Now we'll take examples like Alexander Pope. He beautifully explains this idea. "True wit is nature to advantage dressed. What oft was taught, but never so well expressed." This means a familiar idea becomes impressive because it is expressed beautifully. Now another example, like John Wesley also says, "Style is the dress of thought, a modest dress, neat but not gaudy. Will true critics please?" He means that good style should be simple, neat and appropriate, not unnecessarily decorative. According to Roland Barthes preferred the transparency of classical writing. According to him, language should act like a window through which readers see the meaning directly. Now, do you remember Eliza and Pygmalion, a play written by Bernard Shaw? When Eliza says "not bloody likely," it tells us much more than simple refusal no. It reveals her background, education, personality, social class, style also. Now this line became very famous after Eliza said this. So even a short expression has stylistic value. So next we will come to style as a manner of expression. We discussed style as a dress of thought. Now style as a manner of expression. The same content can be expressed in different ways. Content remains same, only the phrases, sentence structure, language changes. Now these different choices create different style. Now when we use Ohman's example, that is we will take a sentence. There are three versions, like when dinner was over, the senator made a speech. The second is the speech was made by the senator after dinner. The third one is the senator made a postprandial oration. All these three express the same event, but the third sentence sounds more formal because of the expression postprandial oration. Dualists, however, later realized that style is not merely decoration, but it adds some extra meaning also. Now, we will come to the final part, that is pluralism. It says style depends on the function language performs. It is a choice of language according to the function it performs. Language is multifunctional. These functions explained here are referential, that is giving information. For example, newspaper reports, which gives information. Directive, that is advertisements, which that is instructions as well. Next is emotive or social, which expresses feelings and maintains social relationships. Example, casual conversations. Now so there are three functions explained here, that is referential, directive and emotive. Now we will take a sentence, is your father feeling better? This single sentence gives information and expects a reply and expresses sympathy all at the same time. Therefore, style changes according to the function of communication. If you analyze this sentence, you will understand it. Now, finally, we can conclude that monism unites style and content, dualism separates style and content, and pluralism explains style according to the function of the language. Together, these three approaches helps us understand how writers make meaningful linguistic choices. Now, I hope this explanation has helped you. If you found it helpful, please like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.